Namaskar, welcome to this lesson of Learn Bharatanatyam. As you have seen the thumbnail, we are going to learn the choreography of Mudakath Modakam. This choreography is especially for beginners and intermediate. So let's start with part 1. Now, disclaimer, we are going to learn this particular choreography with the beats and with the lyrics. I'm not going to use the song because it creates a copyright. However, once the whole tutorial series is done, I'm going to make one video with the music. Watch the whole series and then go with the music. Okay? Now, the beginning or the starting position. We are going to stand on stage in the center, sitting in Aramandi position and take Ganesha's pose. So now, this is my right and this is my left. However, you have to do the same, just like a mirror. Okay? So start with, this is your right, which is going to be trunk, and this is going to be your ears. Okay? So what we are going to do, we are going to wait until the first music is passed. Also, the song details I will give it in the description box below, or I'll just comment it and pin that. So check the whole track over there. So first part we are going to leave. Rather, we are not going to use it at all. We are going to use it from tat tat ta ra ta ta. Now we are going to start with the right foot. So your right foot, we are going to place it in a diagonal position, okay, in a alidha position, and then we are going to tap the back foot. The next count, we are going to come back and tap it again. Same we are going to repeat on the other side. So we are going to go front and tap back and tap back. Let me turn here and show it to you. Now follow exactly like this. So go with your right foot forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now with the hands, what is going to happen? This is going to be your trunk. This is going to be your ear. It's going to go up with the leg in front and come back. Up and come back. You can use the ear motion as well. So it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, you will end up where? You end up here. Okay. Now what you need to do is you have to go towards your left first. Okay. So let me turn back and show it to you. Okay. You finished here. With the left foot, what we are going to do is 1, 2, 3, tap, 1, 2, 3, tap. Okay. Now we are going to use the ears. Out, in, out, stop, in, out, in, stop. So how is going to look? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, tap. Okay. Now you see that I am going to use my body as well to put the grace in it. I am going to sing the track for you and let's do hands and legs together. Okay, so take the position, start with your right. Tat tat ta ra ta ta. 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 Okay, and then we start with the lyrics. Mudakath Modakam. Okay, for that what we are going to do? Now we ended up over here. So almost in the center. Now from here, this foot will go forward in alidha position. Okay, and now you are going to use the hands above to bow. Okay, above to bow. So you are going to go forward and do this. Okay, so this is the position for Mudakath. Modakam, back foot will come forward and become Agratala here. And you are going to use this hand, right? So your left hand as Pataka and this hand to hold the Modak, which is Mukula, and sit in Aramandi position. So how it's going to look? Mudakath Modakam. Okay. After this, we are going to do Sada Vimukti Sadhakam. For that, we are going to use the blessing as action. So from here, now this hand will become Modak, which he is already holding. Now this hand, which is your right hand, will go 1, 2, 3 and 4. So just slightly as if you are blessing everyone in the room. The same way you are going to tap, tap, tap and swastika position. So it goes Mudakath Modakam Sada Vimukti Sadhakam. After this, we are going to use the same hand which is up here as Chandrakala. After this position, we are going to tap this Agratala foot and lift up the other one, okay, while showing the Chandrakala over your head. So, from here, you are going to do this and this. This hand, Dola Hasta position, okay. So, Kaladhara Vitansakam. After this, Vilasi Loka Rakshakam. Vilasi Loka Rakshakam. So, what we are going to do, we are going to show the universe. So, from your left to right. Okay, turn from the left to right, keeping the Sthanaka position. Okay. So, Vilasi Loka Rakshakam. For Rakshakam, you are going to use this, both hands as blessings. Okay. So, let's try that one more time. I am going to turn back to show you the whole thing with the music. Tat ta 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 ta, tat ta 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 ta, tat ta 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 ta, tat ta 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 ta. Mudakath Modakam Sada Vimukti Sadhakam Kaladhara Vitansakam Vilasi Loka Rakshakam. Okay? Just to avoid the confusion, when I am facing the camera, I am doing a mirror. So, this is right and this is left. But when I am turning here, my right and your right is also same. This and this is my left. Okay? Clear? After Vilasi Loka Rakshakam, you have the music again. Tang, 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 like that. Okay, so what we are going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4. Dhit, tai, dhit, tai. Once towards your right, once towards your left. And then we are going to take a circle from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 counts. So let me face here and show it to you. While doing this, the hands are from the center to the side and side to this side. So this, and then you take it with you. So, while taking a circle, if you want, you can sit in Aramandi position as well. So, or you can stand in Sthanaka and just cross. But I will prefer sit in Aramandi position. It looks much better. Okay. Let's do it from Kaladhara. So, from here, Kaladhara Vasantakam Vilasi Loka Rakshakam. Takit, 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 takit.